Hello Internet. Today I want to build a rotating pan mount for camera. I want to use it for this amazing shot. The main goal is to make it as cheap as possible. That's enough. I want to start with magic arm to which I can connect a motor. I have some camera bolts and nuts. Also in my junk bin I found a handful of bits and bobs. So let me go through them and see what can we use. We don't need any mecanum wheels. Whatever this thing is. These are the parts from old camera gimbal. This board has Atmega 3 to 8 and two 3-phase motor controllers. This I can use later to run the motor. Well, there is a brushless DC motor. Accelerometer sensor board. Some nice bearing. I will not need this logic shifter. Let's cue the music and make something that works. Well, that's quite of an abomination. Looks like it's already falling apart. Let me just clean up the rest of this junk and I will take a look at the controller. We need to write some new code. Before flashing the Arduino code, I need to flash the Arduino bootloader. So let's put some hacker music. I will leave my modified code in the description. To be fair, I borrowed some code from Electronoob's FOC controller video, removed the potentiometer control, and adapted pinout to my board. So let's see if this abomination works. Looks like it's turning. That's a win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, as they say in Austria. I will install this bar to my mount I use for lights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.